So hello everyone, this is my new video, the steering wheel video. I've been starting to rough it up with 80 grit sandpaper, some metal files, and a Dremel tool. But this side, I'm testing it out with liquid nails. As you can see, I already started filling out all these areas right here. There. And on this side, see, look how bad I have it. All these bad cracks and stuff again. This side I'm gonna also be roughing it up and using the Dremel tool on these cracks. But I'm gonna be using this guy. We're gonna see which one works better. I already started sanding this down some, but I need to refill it up in certain sections like this right here. Add some more. And then we'll see how it turns out with paint. Get in there. There. That's how bad this side is. So I've been sanding it with 80 grit, and beforehand use a Dremel tool on these areas. So I have to do some more Dremel tooling over here. But big question, everybody out there who has a 57 or 58 Plymouth, is this section right here, is that supposed to be taller than the main steering wheel, which is right here? To me, it seems like it's a little bit taller. For sure, it's thicker in this area, a little bit. Because I don't really know. But there you have it. Check out my next video where I'll already have the JB Weld on here. I don't need to show you that I'm doing the Dremel tool on here. I'll just put the JB Weld and show you what the sanded finish is on there. And then we'll show you this whole section, the whole steering wheel, in a etch primer and an etch primer, and then I will be hitting it with some kind of metallic blue paint so I can match my car. So see you next time. Please like, dislike, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know about this section. If you have a 58, 57 Plymouth, if this is supposed to be the same height, or is it supposed to be somewhat lifted in these sections. Thanks for watching.